Here's how to correctly pronounce some popular American fashion brand names. Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren. The Lauren is pronounced like Lauren, not Lauren. Calvin Klein. Calvin Klein. Klein rhymes with line. Tommy Hilfiger. Tommy Hilfiger. The Hilfiger is pronounced like it looks with emphasis on Hill. Michael Kors. Michael Kors. The Michael is straightforward and Kors rhymes with doors. Vera Wang. Vera Wang. Wang is pronounced like bang. Tory Burch. Tory Burch. Simple pronunciation with stress on the first syllables. Donna Karan. Danu Karan. Karan rhymes with Karen. Coach. Coach. Straightforward pronunciation rhymes with roach. Kate Spade. Kate Spade. Simple with emphasis on both words equally. Gap. Gap. One syllable, pronounced just as it's written. These pronunciations are in line with standard American English for these famous fashion brands.